Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Erinmoles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Ifa was cast for ՕGÚN. ՕGÚN was preparing to launch an attack against his enemies in the city and decided to consult with the Awo, named nṣen-àkódùn-kòrò. The Awo advised him that he must offer a sacrifice: a small barrel of palm wine, roasted yam, and palm oil, manteca de corojo. ՕGÚN refused to make the sacrifice. The Bàbáláwo said, "Ifa says that he will be poisoned over there because he refused to perform the sacrifice." ՕGÚN went to battle, and from the beginning, his victory was assured. After defeating his enemies, he returned home. One of his men offered him a piece of roasted yam, which he accepted and ate. The piece of yam became lodged in his throat, and he was unable to swallow it. He lost the ability to speak and tried to signal for help with his hands, but no one could understand him, and he died. Note: if you speak to someone who carries this Odu, they will likely gesture with their hands and move their head.